Oh, that's much better. Thank you.
So you're gonna.
Maybe I should start wearing my glasses.
Well, you know.
I just don't like the way they look.
Your contacts.
My eye doctor won't give me contacts.
Why?
Because it says they're unnecessary.
Oh, well.
Even though I request them.
Is it a Canadian eye doctor?
Yeah.
Exactly.
I go to like your glasses. I go to
You don't need.
So like after
You don't need contacts if you have glasses. Just wear them, man.
So I tell him, I literally tell him, I say, I don't wear the glasses you give me, but I'll wear them if they were contacts.
Are we good?
And he says, I'm not giving you contacts. And I say, okay, then I'm not wearing my glasses. And he says, okay, then here's some new glasses. And I say, okay, did you not listen to the conversation we just had?
All right, now, this is a slightly idealized situation where the cars, if there was no friction, the cars would always have constant speeds. But we know there is some friction. So when you do this, okay, you're going to analyze the velocity of the cars right before and right after the collision. So for example, this, get the velocity value, this is V1 before. That's the velocity of car 1 right before the collision. Okay? Over here, this is V1 after. That's V1 after. That's the velocity of car 1 after the collision. Because you see, the velocity decreased because it slowed down. Is that all right? Now, V2 before was 0. And this is V2 after. And you'll have to use the logger pro to figure out those values. Ooh. Okay? Now again, I don't expect this to make 100% crystal clear sense, but you should be able to, as you do the logger. What's that?
Oh no. V2B, V2A. Oh, V1, V. What? Yeah.
All right, so listen. We're going to work in the same lab groups that we were working in the other day. There are 6 of them, or there should be 6 lab groups. Group 1 and 2 work together at station 1. Group 3 and 4 work together at station 4. And group 5 and 6 work together at station 6.
What are we?
Okay? All right? If I need to move you, I'll move you when you get there. Take your lab notebooks. I would like you to draw these appropriate things in your lab notebooks. Make sure you have a whiteboard. Let's go.